Today is Manchester Day. Tonight we watch Manchester City and Real Madrid. And I wanted to say win Manchester City because the best team of the world, Manchester City. I support Arsenal. I want to rep champion Man City. You know, Maanta English Waaye qof ku fasirto soo waco. Okay. Real Madrid and Manchester City we play. Okay, they play tonight. Manchester home. You know? First game they play Real Madrid home. So this competition is Champions League, you know? Real Madrid and Manchester City. Okay, we watch tonight. So, and what do you want? What do you want? What do you want to win, Real or Man City? Me, I want to win Manchester City. You know that? You know who am I? Oh my God. Oh my God. Maanta falaqeynta English ahayd haddii ay fahmin qof Ingiriiska ku fasirto waco. Duhur wanaagsan maxaa lagu dhahaa? Okay, duhur wanaagsan. Okay, duhur wanaagsan wax lagu dhaho soo qora. Bye.